sir.
Hello friend, my name is Krandeep Kumar. In which part of India Bihar is situated?
Northeast India.
What is the position of Bihar in India's area?
13%.
What is the percentage of Bihar in the total area of India?
2.86%.
What is the area of Bihar?
94,163 square kilometers.
What is the length of Bihar from east to west?
483 kilometers.
What is the width of Bihar from north to south?
345 kilometers.
What are the boundaries of Bihar?
In the north of Bihar, Nepal, in the south of Bihar, Dhaka, in the east of Bihar, West Bengal, in the west of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh.
What are the boundaries of India?
In the north of India, Nepal, in the south of India, Sri Lanka, in the east of India, West Bengal, Bangladesh, in the west of India, Pakistan.
What is the total population of Bihar?
10 crore 40,99,452 according to 2011 census.
What is the percentage in population of Bihar in India?
8.58%.
Which is the largest district in population of Bihar?
Patna 5.68%.
Which is the smallest district in population of Bihar?
Sheikhpura 0.62%.
What is the position in population of Bihar in India?
2011 census.
Which is the largest district in area of Bihar?
West Champaran 5,228 square kilometers.
Which is the smallest district in area of Bihar?
Sivar 349 square kilometers.
Which district of Bihar has the highest birth rate?
Madhepura 31.12%.
Which district of Bihar has the lowest birth rate?
Gopalganj 91.02%.
Which district of Bihar has the highest population density?
Sheikhpura 1,882 people square kilometers.
Which district of Bihar has the lowest population density?
Kemur 488 people square kilometers.
What is the sex ratio of Bihar?
918 1,001.
Which district of Bihar has the highest sex ratio?
Gopalganj 1,021 1,001.
Which district of Bihar has the lowest literacy rate?
Purnia
What is the literacy rate of Bihar?
61.80%, male literacy 71.20%, and women 51.50%.
Which state of India has the lowest literacy rate?
Purnia,
Which is the hottest district of Bihar?
Gaya,
Which is the coldest district of Bihar?
West Champaran
What is the numbers of district in Bihar?
38,
What is the numbers of commissionary in Bihar?
9,
What is the numbers of subdivision in Bihar?
101,
What is the numbers of block in Bihar?
345,
Where is the capital of Bihar?
Patna,
What is the numbers of Gram Panchayat in Bihar?
38,
Which is the official language of Bihar?
Urdu,
Which is the second official language of Bihar?
Hindi,
When the state of Bihar is celebrated?
22nd March,
What is the state emblem of Bihar?
Bodhi tree,
Which is the state animal of Bihar?
Oaks,
Which is the state bird of Bihar?
Sparrow,
Where is the High Court of Bihar is situated?
Patna,
What percentage of the land of Bihar is covered with forest?
6.87%,
Which district of Bihar covers the largest area in forest?
Rohtas 167 hectares,
Which is the longest and largest river in Bihar?
the Ganga,
Who is the chief of village panchayat?
Mukhia,
What is the tenure of Mukhia?
5 years.
Who is the numbers of Gram Sabha?
All men and women in village who are 18 years old and above are the members of the Gram Sabha.
What is the structure of woman body?
Woman body is like a complicated machine. It is made of several active organs. Main unit of human body is a tissue is made of several cells. The organs are made of several tissue and organ system is composed of several organs.
What is the skeletal system?
All the bones and cartilage collectively form a system which is called a skeleton system. It provides a rigid solid structure to the body. Thus the skeleton system is the base of human body.
What is bone?
It is rigid, hard and white color generally. It is made of calcium and phosphorus.
What is digestive system?
The organs used to digest the food taken by human being are called digestive system.
What is liver?
It is gland of human body which is situated at the right side above the abdomen.
What is gallbladder?
It is situated at the bottom of the liver. It is pierced at the small gland called gallbladder.
What is pancreas?
It is ductless and ductful gland. It secretes hormones named insulin.
What is heart?
The heart is a muscular organ. It is situated in the middle of lung in between 5th and 6th ribs of the chest.
What is lung?
It is the main organs of respiratory system. Blood is purified. It is lungs are 2 in number.
What is the skin?
It is outer part which cover the body. Thank you.
Thank you.